Hey guys, today we will be destroying my friend's BlackBerry that he gave to us today with my GR15 Airsoft gun. It's pretty sweet, but so let's get this show on the road. As you can see, it's in pretty good shape, I guess, but it's about to be the opposite of being in good shape. Alright, so here we go. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Ow, all these bees are hitting me. Okay, let's see what that did. Okay, so we have some, the keyboard's a little ripped up, as you can see. Glass out, sorry. But, let's try the back now. Okay, here we go. Round 2. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this probably isn't the best place to do it indoors, but it's like we don't really have another option because, as you can see outside, it's snowing. But anyway, okay, so here's some results. A little denting. I wanted to get the camera. Let's try the camera. Let's try to get the camera out. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's a direct hit. See what it did. Oh, and the camera is, I believe, shattered. Ooh, that can't be good. And we'll do one more. So yeah, we shattered the camera. Oh, let's shatter the flash. Dang. Oh, I guess the flash cover is not gonna break. It's a little cracking, but it's okay. And the camera, as you can see, is completely cracked. Alright, let's finish off the front screen. Maybe we could crack it up. Alright, here we go. Last round. Alright, let's get started. Alright, here we go. 5, 4, 3, I'm gonna go all automatic. 2, 1. Alright, wait. Okay. BB's flying everywhere, and here's a... Oh, snap. We knocked out the button, and the screen is completely shattered. Ow. Completely shattered, as you can see, guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this phone. Maybe we'll do another thing on throwing it, or I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, and comment, share, anything, really. And see ya.